Andyz. You left on the mix.
On the beat.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Boy, come through. Papa, imela da bio. Uya versi Baba imela da bio. Uya versi Baba so boy come though. You don't do me well. You said it, you've done it. My sins you have forged. My life you have touched it. I know feeding body. Bye bye. All this for my sake. In fact, boy come on. Boy throw. Narekele. Ningenjibia Baba imela dadi Ofamoko Uya basi Baba imela dadi Ofamoko
Lord is my strength, my hope and my future. When I look up at his face, it's still the case that I will never be a failure, never be stuck in life. He'll always my soul. And when I think about wealth, I think about him, even in the case of health. I look up to his grace that will always make it rain, even in your own face. When you rejoice in the Lord, takes it of a choice that will always make a noise. Hold on to your faith and forget about your case. He's your only guide to your next phase. Hold on to your faith, never think about your life. He's your only guide that will always make it right, even in your own style. He's my hands and my legs, he never falls. He's the reason why I'm here, he never leaves. Yeah, you never let me know, yeah, you still boy, you know, yeah.
When I fall into a pit, you brought me up. When I look around me, I see heroes even in your own style. Oh, 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 oh. What you done?